Alright, the old 350X project here. Just want to show you what I got going on right now. So I had a wire harness made up so that I got the goki starter on it, and I'm trying to get it kind of factory-ish, you know. So I'm using an actual Honda solenoid, and it's going to end up hooking in to the harness, the main harness itself, instead of having a standalone harness for the goki system. It's going to be all in one. So I got everything hooked up right now, you know, besides the battery. And I ran all the wiring. Got everything hooked up so far. Of course, besides the headlight. And that's going to allow me to use an actual OEM switch with the real push start, instead of having the little goki button or something else, you know, something else to start it. Just be a little bit more cleaner. Gives me a nice brand new switch. I think it'll look a lot better that way in the end. But yeah, I made this battery box. It's out of stainless. I just really didn't like the way the goki one was. I mean, I have it. So that's the actual goki box. And that's how it mounts up. Huge, big old battery. So I'm guessing, you know, 80s, 90s, when we didn't have small batteries. You know, it's just a huge fucking difference. So I'm going to use a lot smaller battery and still be able to do the same exact thing. Just be a little bit tighter package. So it'll be tucked in a little bit better, and won't have this big gaudy fucking battery hanging off the side of it. But we're getting there now. Got the fucking exhaust mounted up. That was a fucking cocksucker. Even got that on. And a nice little fucking piece of silicone hose to kind of seal it off. 400EX header. All bolted up. Engine paint's all chipped the fuck already. But, fuck it. I don't care. I ain't pulling her out again. I just want to run this bitch. But we're getting there now. Still waiting on suspension. Forks are being shortened. Shocks being rebuilt. Sprung my weight. I'm also getting a full custom graphic wrap made up. So hopefully we'll be getting that there at some point. It's got too much fucking projects in here. Got the Tri-Z. That's fucking up and running. Good to go. The old 250i. Just barely getting parts together for that. Engine still sitting right there. Haven't touched it yet. Another TRX 250i. I just barely got the fucking axle out. All the fucking hub nut seized right up. Fucking rotor fucking anti-fade was fucking seized right up. So this one's been a cocksucker so far. But all in due time. This is the next project here. As soon as I'm done with the 350X, it'll be 250i time. And as soon as I'm done with that, it'll be that. This one's pretty much fucking, that's ready to go. That fucking runs rides as it is. I am going to throw I got some Gibson arms chilling out. Still need to be rebuilt. I got the spherical bearings already. I'm just waiting on a guy to get the bushings for the lower arms. He fucking custom makes them, so still waiting on those. Then I can put the long travel shocks on this one. And I'll put the extended axle in it. Should be a lot wider, a lot more stable. Yeah, so we're getting there. Stay tuned. Should be some more to come.